to EK Logics. In the previous class, we have discussed about how to minimize the video. I have stopped the video in the middle of the video. Why? Because it's already 25 minutes long, and also the system is getting stuck. Okay, the virtual machine is getting stuck. So that I told you, I'm going to shut down my personal computer instead of shut downing the virtual machine, and I have shut down the personal computer, and also I have again started the this particular virtual machine, but still the problem is not got rectified. So what you guys need to do is uh, you need to power off the virtual machine. Okay, you need to power off the virtual machine. Okay, I am going to tell you what you need to exactly need to do. Okay, just click on the start button. Now my window is already got updated. Okay, my window is already got updated. Okay, I just shut down the system and I'm going to restart the system. Okay, if your window is increased, window size is increased, then no problem. Okay, but if your window size is not increased, I am going to show you after shutting down my virtual machine, and I am going to again restart the window. Okay, for that what you need to do is you just simply click on the enter. Okay, it is going to ask you something. You don't select any of the options and just simply click on the enter. Okay, my window got updated. Okay, my window got updated. Yours is not updated, right? You tried 2 to 3 times. If not updated, I am going to clarify how to update the problem. Okay, how to rectify that particular problem. See, now my window is got updated. See, it's become large size. Okay, my window is got became large size. Okay, what I have done. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is, so I'm going to upload the previous video as well. You just click on cancel. Okay, if you are going to visible those type of problems, you just click on cancel. In the previous video, I have told you some of the comments to increase the window size, right? So I also going to upload that video. You just watch that video first and then come to this particular video next. Okay, after restarting the visual machine, I have faced a lot of problem, right? The window size is not increased. Okay, and also I told you guys to that I am going to shut down my entire system personal computer and tell you in the next video. Okay, right? I told you, right? So what I have done is I again restarted the mission, and then also I again uh, entered into the virtual machine, but the window size is not getting resized. Okay, the window size is not getting resized. So then what I have done is I'm not I haven't run the all the previous steps again. Okay, I haven't run all the previous steps again. I have gone to devices, and I have clicked on the upgrade guest editions. Okay, I have I have gone to the devices and click on the upgrade guest editions. I have already clicked it. Okay, you need to click it. Okay, if your window problem is not rectified, then what you guys need to do is you need to click on the upgrade guest editions. Okay, go to devices and click on upgrade guest editions. Okay, it is going to get upgraded. Okay, then a message will be visible to you in the right side corner of the virtual machine. Okay, after that what you need to do is you need to click on the cd icon, which is above the trash. Okay, you need to click it. You need to go into the folder, and you need to click on the right click. You need to give the right click and go to open terminal. Now we have opened the terminal in this particular directory, right? We have opened the terminal in this particular directory. Okay, and you need to run the command, that is dot slash auto run dot sh. Okay, you need to run this script. Okay, this is the scripting file. you need to run it. Just click on enter and give the password which you have created at the beginning. You need to give the password. Okay, you need to give the password and then authenticate. Okay, it is going to run. Okay, it is going to run. You just remove these messages by clicking on the into mark. Okay, wait for the message. Okay, at the end. Just a second. Okay, I am going to rectify all your problems. Okay, the tool installation is the most important point. After installing the tool, it is very easy for you to have an experience of RTL to GDS. Okay, you need to return. For that, you need to press any of the key. Press enter. Okay, press enter. After pressing enter, you just close the terminal. You just go close this particular folder as well, and then go to the charging symbol. Okay, and then click on the power, and then click on power off. Okay, click on power off and click on power off. Okay, I am now power offing the system virtual machine, and again you just click on the start button. Okay, after clicking the start button, previously in this video at the beginning, okay, it is asked me to enter the enter button, right? See, previously in this video, like this, okay, like this, one box is came right for me. Instead of displaying the icon in the bottom, it shown me at the top left corner like this, right? Very small box, it's shown me, right? Like that it is going to show you. Then what guys need to do is you just need to click on the enter. Then the screen is getting updated automatically. Okay, see, now my screen is got updated, right? My screen size is increased, right? You can see my screen size is increased. Okay, is it okay? If you are going to face any of the problem, then just comment me. I am going to tell you one on one. Okay, you just contact me, then I am going to tell you and rectify your problem at any stage of the installation of tools, or having an hands-on experience on RTL to GDS. If you are going to face any of the problems, then just intimate me. I'm going to rectify it. Okay, I hope mostly all the people who are watching, they have rectified the problem of the window size. Okay, the window size is now enlarged, right? So we have to follow some other steps as well. After this, what we need to do is we need to do some of the comments as well. There is a lot more ahead. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let me discuss what is the next process. Okay, if anyone facing the problem related to the window size increasing, then just place a comment. I will contact you. Okay, I will definitely contact you, and I will rectify your problem. Okay, I think most of the people uh, rectified the problem. Okay, you just try it 2 to 3 times by shutting off the system, and also by clicking on the going to the devices and clicking on the upgrade guest editions, and then try again by running the auto run. Okay, I have gone to the CD, and then I have run the command that is auto run in the open terminal, right? You just try 2 to 3 times. Okay, after that it will definitely rectified. If not, then just contact me, I will tell you. Okay, the next process is simply what we need to do is just simply click on the right click on the CD button. Okay, right click on the CD button and then unmount. Okay, I am going to discuss the next process, unmount. Okay, click on into mark and then go to CD and then eject. Okay, now the CD is not going to appear to you. Okay, the CD will be disabled. Okay, so next process is to install the Vim editor. For that, what you guys need to do is just go to open terminal. Okay, just maximize the window. I'm going to show you the font size by increasing it by clicking on the control shift and then plus. Next command is to install the Vim editor. Vim editor is the editor where we are going to type the Verilog code or VHDL or system Verilog code. Okay, we are going to use the Vim editor is a text editor. Okay, for that what you need to give is sudo apt hyphen get install Vim. This is the command to install the Vim editor. After entering the command, you just run it. It is going to ask you to enter the password. You need to give the password which you have created at the beginning. While entering the password, it is not going to move or show you the password which you are going to enter. You just need to enter it and then click on the enter in the keyboard. Okay, it is going to ask you, do you want to continue, yes or no? Y or n means yes or no. Okay, you need to give y, capital Y, and then click on enter. It is going to run. Let me minimize. Okay, while entering the command I will maximize, and while the process taking on I'm going to minimize. Okay, like this the process is going to take place. So sorry, so what I have done is I have currently in the desktop, right? I'm at desktop, so you shouldn't run the commands in desktop. So that I am going to change the directory to the terminal. So that what you need to give is cd space dot dot, and then again run the command, that is sudo apt get install vim. Again run this command. Okay, you can run this command, then you can able to see this matter. Okay, already it is got installed. Okay, no problem. Anyhow, wherever you are going to install, no problem. But to install in the terminal itself, it's better to install in the terminal itself instead of installing it in the desktop. Okay, so that I have again run the command, that is sudo apt hyphen get install. Okay, next what we need to do is next the next command the next command is to install the git. Okay, we need to install the git in the same directory. For that what you need to give it the command is sudo apt hyphen get install. At the end you need to give git in place of vim. Okay, git means github. Okay, I think you guys all know what is github means. Okay, you need to give y again. It means else. Okay, it is going to run. After that you need to give some other command as well. We are going to clone the followers from the github. Okay, we are going to clone the followers from the github. After that what you need to do is we need to clone a folder from the github. For that what you need to give is the command is, let me maximize, git clone https colon hyphen for slash github.com slash Kunal G123. We are going to clone the folder from the GitHub, vsdflow.git. Okay, we are going to use the GitHub. We are going to use the Kunal G123 user. In that user there is a folder that is VSD-Flow. Okay, we are going to use it. After giving the command, this is the command. Okay, this is the command you need to enter. After giving that command, what you guys need to do is just simply click on the enter. Okay, we are going to clone the VSD-Flow into our system virtual machine. I'm going to minimize. Okay, just a second. The process will take on. Okay, the process will take on. It is completed. Now we have cloned the VSD-Flow folder into our system. We need to go into that particular folder. For that, you need to change the directory, that is cd VSD-Flow. Okay, we are going to enter into the VSD-Flow folder which we have cloned into our system. Okay, now we are at VSD-Flow. Okay, now we are at VSD-Flow directory. Next, what you need to enter is, you need to click on the ls command. ls is used to list all the files or folders which are inside our VSD flow. So these are the files and folders which are inside the VSD flow. Okay, now what we need to do is, here there is a open source EDA tool script, shell script. Okay, there is a shell script, we need to give permission for it. Okay, already I think I have a permission to run this particular shell script. So in most of your systems there might be there might be no permission to run the script. Okay, for that I am going to tell you what is the command that you need to run to give the permission for this particular shell script to make it run in your system. Okay, for example, if you are going to see this particular open source EDA tool install CentOS.sh, it is going to visible in white color, right? But open source EDA tool install.sh, it is going to visible in the green color, right? It means it is having permission to run in our system. Okay, Come, the white color one doesn't have permission to run in our system. Okay, but the green color one has a permission to run in our system. Okay, now the green color one is required by us. Okay, it is already having permission to run in my system, but it might not have it might not given a permission in your own system. In your own system, those who are watching, in your system it is going to be in white color, I think so. Okay, it is going to be in white color, right? So we need to make it green. It means we need to give permission to run the file. Okay, for that you need to run a command. That command is chmod 777. Okay, you need to enter the name of the file, that is name of the shell script, that is open source EDA tool install.sh. That is open source EDA tool. EDA means electronic design automation. Okay, EDA tool install.sh. After clicking, after entering the command, you need to press the enter. Okay, after pressing the enter, you just again check the list of files in the VSD-Flow folder. Then you can able to see the open source EDA tool install.sh is now in green color in your system. Okay, it is already in green in my system. Okay, now in your system as well it is going to visible in green color. Okay, so that's why we have run the command, that is chmod 777 open source EDA tool install.h to give the permission to run in our system. After that what you need to after that what you guys need to do is, you need to run the script file. That is, we have given the permission for it, right? We need to run this particular file. For that what you need to do is dot slash and the file name, that is open source EDA tool install and install.sh. Okay, and then press enter. It will install tools in your system. Okay, all the tools it is going to install. Let me minimize. Why? Because while entering the comments I am going to maximize, while the process taking place I am going to minimize. It is going to visible to you as well. Okay, at some point of time it is going to ask you to enter y. Okay, you need to give the yes or no. It is going to ask you yes or no, then you need to give the y. Okay, it might ask you, or might not. It may ask you or might not ask you. Okay, so I'm going to make this whole process in parts. Okay, but what you guys need to do is, it is better you guys to sit at 2 to 3 hours in a day and completely watch my videos and try to install the videos. Why? Because I'm going to make the in parts, means because it is very hard to upload the a 1 hour length video in the YouTube, so that I'm going to make this process uh, very slow. Okay, okay, don't worry, you are going to get like this only. Okay, you just see how I am going to get and how you guys are going to get while running the shell script. Okay, so don't worry guys, it's going to work like this only. It is going to take a lot of time, I think so. I will tell you how much time it is going to take it at the end after executing this particular shell script. Okay, I recommend you guys to watch all of my videos which I have uploaded uh, in a single sitting. Okay, and try to install the tools at a time. Why? Because you may get confused. Why? Because I also got confused while in while doing the installation. I first running the commands in the desktop itself. Okay, but we need to run in the terminal. Okay, it is better to run in the terminal. Most of the people do this type of simple. These are not mistakes, but we might get confused when we are going to run the tools. Okay, we might get confused, so that it is better to install in the same directory which I am going to show you. Okay, don't worry, it is going to run. Let me pause the video. Why? Because it is going to take a lot of time. Okay, I will resume the video if it is going to ask me any permission like enter y, or it is going to ask me any password. Then let me resume then. Okay, or if I'm going to get any errors, then also I'm going to show you what happened, what is the process that happened by moving upward. Okay, so that I'm going to pause the video right now. Yeah guys, it's taken too long. Okay, it's still not completed. Okay, let's see how much the process actually taken place. So I'm going to top and will tell you what are the tools the are getting installed. Okay, with a single shell script. Okay, so just a second, let me go to very top. Okay, okay, see it's having so long. Okay, so I'm going to bottom and show you what are the tools those are get installed. So the magic layout is getting installed. Okay, magic layout, this is the magic layout. And then next what we have so many tools. Okay, installed with a single step. Okay, let me show you that for you. So just a second. So there are so many tools over here. Okay, a lot of tools are going to get installed. Okay, don't worry. Okay, it is going to take nearly 10 to 20 minutes of time. Netgen got installed. Okay, Netgen is a tool which is got installed. And then there are so many tools as well. Qflow. Okay, Qflow got installed. And then next GrayWolf. GrayWolf also get installed, and then next OpenSTA. See, OpenSTA is also get installed. We have cloned it, and then there are so many tools are going to get installed. The still the process is not get finished. It is asking me the permission whether yes or no. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes or no. I'm going to give Y. It is going to ask you as well. You need to enter the Y and then click on the enter in the keyboard. Okay, so the process is still going on. So I am going to pause the video for a while and show you after completion of whole process. Now it is going to set up the GTK wave. Okay, like this is now it is going to set up the open timer. Okay, like this it is going to perform all the it is going to install all the tools. Okay, we need to set up all those tools. Okay, I am going to pause the video for a while, just a second. Still the process is not yet completed. It is going to ask me another permission whether to continue yes or no. So I'm going to give the Y and then click on enter. Okay, you need to give the Y and click on enter in the keyboard. So it is going to continue the process. Okay, it is the whole process depends on your internet speed. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again and going to sorry, it is almost completed, right? So it is completed. So it's taken me nearly 30 minutes of time. Okay, okay, the process actually taken me 30 minutes of time. So from this point I'm going to stop the video. Why? Because it's a very long video, 26 minutes. So that I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to continue this particular part from the next video. Okay, you just stay tuned, don't worry. Okay, I recommend you guys to watch all of my videos which I'm going to upload at a once at a time at a time, and then install the tools at a time. Okay, so I'm going to start from this point only from the next video. Okay, so that you might get confused. Okay, we are still from till now we have run all those commands from the VSD-Flow folder, so that you need to remember the path. Okay, where we are going to run. Okay, I'm going to actually uh, I'm going to tell you in the next video as well. Okay, you need to remember the path. Okay, so that I am going to stop the video here itself. I'm going to continue the continuation of this particular part in the next video. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, thank you.